Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Poco phone device. Guys, you want to unpair guys your Bluetooth earphones, so guys you can unpair. Guys, you don't want to use this earphone, and guys you want to unpair it, and guys you want to forget, so guys you can forget. So guys, now let's see how to unpair it. So first of all guys, swipe up and guys click on guys your phone setting. Then guys you can see this type of setting. Then guys scroll, guys click on guys your Bluetooth setting. So as you can see guys, we have paired this earphone, and guys we want to unpair. So guys, what will I have to do to unpair? So guys, I will tap here right side, and guys you can see this unpair option. So as I will click on guys this unpair option, so guys this earphone will unpair to my Poco phone. So as I will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, now we will meet on next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.